Hello, this is DJ Dimaliuat, and in this video, we will review the business of life insurance. Ano ba yun sa tingin ko maganda sa industry na to? Bakit? If naghahanap ka ng opportunity, probably a part-time business or an additional business if you have another business right now, why this is a good choice. Just like why I chose this to add in my list of businesses and I'm continuously enjoying this business right now. The first reason is that it has a small capital. You can start with less than 6,000 pesos and it's just be needed for the 2 exams that you need for the licenses and then of course processing of your license. So may dalawang klase kasing lisensya rito sa life insurance industry, yung traditional life insurance saka yung pang VUL. So ideally if you want to sell both, which I highly recommend, dapat dala mo pareho. So you will start about approximately 6,000 pesos for the licensing and the exams. So napakababa ng puhunan and then malaki yung potential income. Saan ka ba makakita ng business na maliit lang yung puhunan and then ang napakalaki ng pwede mo talagang kitain. So it's really in the sales industry. And wala naman talaga negosyong walang puhunan. No? Kailangan mo pa rin talaga mag-invest. Hindi lang pera but also your time and efforts dito. The second reason bakit nasabi ko maganda ang life insurance business is it has a huge market. Technically, lahat ng taong nagtatrabaho magandang pwede maging client, dapat kumuha ng life insurance policies. From womb to tomb nga yung mga products ng life insurance, no? So, ibig sabihin ang laki ng pwedeng market. Yung mga parents, yung mga anak nila pwede nilang kuhanan and everyone who is responsible enough, who don't want to leave a financial burden to their families just in case they die or they get sick. So yun yung main. And of course, to accumulate and makapag-ipon ng funds in the future, particularly for education and retirement. So ang laki ng market, even those na mga friends mo na meron ng life insurance policies, your friends and families, they are still a market because I guarantee you 99% of the people na meron ng life insurance, kulang pa rin yan. The third reason why maganda tong industry na to is that it has good profit margin. You earn 25%, an average of 25% commission. Some products are higher, some products are lower. Depende sa product and sa need ni client. But ang ganda ng pwede mong kitain, di ba? For some, makapagtubo ka lang ng 100 pesos, di ba? Okay na yun, dadaanin mo sa bulto. Dito, ang laki ng market mo, pwede kang mag-sell in bulk, pwede kang mag-sell in big amounts, it's up to you. But the profit margin is really good as well. So, at least well compensated yung effort mo talaga na binibigay mo. So you are in control with the income that you would you would like to earn because of the effort that you will put in. The fourth reason is really it has a timeless product. Some other businesses nalalaos yung product, so it's just a fad, diba? So ang lakas ng sales mo ngayon and then pwedeng next year or a few years after kung bumaba na siya, so kailangan mo ulit mag-create ng bagong concept or ng idea, diba? I've been into different businesses as well. My wife bakes and cooks, no? So may times na malakas, may times na walang order, ganun talaga. I've been into real estate, pag naubos yung condo or subdivision, you gotta learn and look for other subdivision na naman na ibibenta and ma-market mo ulit yun. So, but in the life insurance industry, we only have 4 generic products. No? So, iba-iba lang yung mga different designs ng products. So, basically, whatever stage of life you are in right now, you would need life insurance. No? Bata man, you need health insurance. For those who are single, for those who are breadwinners, they need more coverage para may maiiwan sa family nila in case their income stops due to death. Education ng kids, gusto mong pag-ipunan, and while you're doing that, dapat ini-insure mo yung parents. And then, retirement. No? Maganda makapag-ipon for retirements at least 20 years ahead. So, it's a timeless product from womb to tomb. Mula batang-bata hanggang mag-retire, hanggang mamatay, magkasakit, whatever that is. people need this product. So you just need to educate it, educate your friends, educate the Filipino people, educate the world, just like what I'm doing in my videos, kung bakit siya important. It's really timeless. The concepts are just the same. Products may change, but the concept is just the same. Pareho lang siya. So it's really timeless. Yun ang napakaganda. And number 5, it has a franchise business system. So meaning, if naaral mo tong negosyo na to, and ang tingin mo talaga gusto mong magtayo ng sariling negosyo, sarili mong company, alam mo ba na kaya mong gawin yan at pwede mong gawin yan dito sa loob ng isang life insurance industry. You don't need to start your own company if you don't want to. You can opt to have your own company within the bigger company. In my case, I'm with AIA Philippines, formerly Film Life. I have my own company within the company because I built a team around me, and I treated this as a business. Negosyo yung tingin ko rito. From the day forward that I joined, negosyo yung hanap ko rito. Hindi lang basta magbenta. Selling is good. I like the product. It's really good. People need it. And aside from that, I'm selling the opportunity. Just like in this video, I'm sharing with you that there's a lot of opportunities in the Philippines. Whatever the economic outlook is, whatever the political outlook is, there's a lot of opportunities na pwede mong pasukin, and this one is a big opportunity. Meaning, aralin mo lang siya, and the more you become better to it, you can build a team, train them as well, improve your leadership and their leadership. Natulungan mo silang kumita, yumaman, and then kikita ka rin ng maganda. That's a franchisable business system. It's non-traditional, maliit ang fixed cost mo, wala kang upahan na opisina, wala kang staff or minimal staff lang yung kailangan mo, wala kang utilities that you need to pay. Of course, you have to pay taxes, your accountant, pag kumikita ka na ng maigi. But that's just about it. No? So it has a franchisable business system that you can teach with other people. Pwede mong ipamana in the future, turuan mo lang yung mga anak mo, or sa kapatid mo. It can be a family business model. Ako, I'm now with my wife doing this business. She's also building her own team. So it's really wonderful. Not to mention, aside from the commission and the income, we have a lot of different incentives that are given to us that you can also enjoy. Sinasabi ko lang, if alam mong masipag ka, alam mong mataas yung pangarap mo, you just need to put yourself in the right vehicle to succeed. And this I believe is one of the best vehicles I've seen, and that's why I stayed with this and continuously, and I'm excited to grow my team even more. I'm looking for people who would want to journey with me to live better lives, live healthier, to grow their income, grow themselves, earn some more, who dream big and want to also learn how to invest their money so that eventually you can be financially free. So who are qualified? I'm looking for people who are at least 22 years old, college graduate and above. Walang limit ng age ito. Ang dapat, basta unlimited yung pangarap mo. No, kung mataas yung pangarap mo, para ka rito sa negosyo na to. Kung may limit masyado at hindi ka nangangarap, maybe this is not for you. Because this is not easy, but this is really rewarding. Right? So you can come from any industry, whatever background you may be. Right? Either you're employed right now, you can do this part-time, or self-employed, you have a business, you can do this also on the side. Hindi siya part-time or sideline, hindi siya sideline. It's really your other line. Because you can have 2 businesses running for you and solid pa rin naman. Alam mo naman, pag negosyante ka, you're not always there 24/7 or 8 to 5, diba? That's not the kind of business that you would want anyway. Gusto mo yung minsan pwede mong gawin, minsan hindi, diba? And if you are in that field, then this business is really for you. So if you would want to be part of this team and, explore if this is for you, maybe we can have a quick chat, makapag-usap tayo. Message me in my Facebook page, just search DJ Dimaliuat, or go to this link, facebook.com/DJ DJ Dimaliuat Official. So with that, thank you very much for watching this video and usap tayo soon.